How to display your data in the form of line chart, pie chart and bar chart in your Flutter application using FLchart package. Let's get started. First we add the FLchart package in our pubspec.yaml file. Next, in our homepage.dart, we create 3 elevated buttons to view the line chart, pie chart and bar chart respectively.
Do you want to have your Flutter app, website or backend server completely developed in a high professional manner instead of developing it on your own? Then simply go to heyflutter.com/app and we will develop this app for you.
Next, in our line chart page.dart, we create an aspect ratio widget that contains the line chart widget with a line chart data object. Here we provided a list that contains a single object, that is line chart bar data. Here we provided a list of spots and set the isCurve variable to true to curve the line. Next, we provided the fl.data with the show variable set to true to display the dots on our line chart. We also provided the color and bar width, which is basically the width and color of our line. Next, we also set below bar data variable to bar area data, in which we set the show variable to true and the color variable to green with the opacity of 70%. Next, we defined the minimum and maximum of x and y axis. Here we define the background color and tiles data, where we set the bottom tiles to axis tiles object, where we set the property axis name widget to text, and side tiles property to side tiles object, where we set the property show tiles, reserved size, interval and get title widgets to a function where we set the text depending on multiple cases. Next, we set the left tiles property to axis tiles object with the properties axis name widget and side tiles. Next, we set the grid data to FL grid data object with the properties show, draw horizontal line to show the horizontal lines, get drawing horizontal line to set color and stroke width, draw vertical lines to show the vertical lines, get drawing vertical line and border data to set border decoration. Next, we created a file named piechart page.dart, and in widget build function we created a pie chart widget wrapped by a container widget. Here we provided a pie chart data object with the properties center space radius, border data, section space and a list of sections. Here we provided a pie chart section data with the properties value, color and radius. Next, we created a file named barchartpage.dart, and here we created a bar chart widget wrapped by an aspect ratio widget. Here we provided the bar chart data object with the properties border data, which is set to FL border data, group space, which is set to 10, and a list of bar groups. Here we provided multiple bar chart group data object with the properties X, which is basically the title of the bar, and bar rod list, where we provided the bar chart rod data with the properties from Y and to Y to set the starting and ending points of the bar, width to set the width of the bar, and color to set the color of the bar, which is currently set to colors.amber.